Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the download error in Play Store. So like sometime you want to download one app and it's take forever to download like this. I have a strong Wi-Fi network but still your download stuck. So what you have to do, just cancel it. Just go to your home. Let's close this app. Long press on your Play Store app. Tap on app info. Here you can see storage. Tap there. Now you can see clear cache. Tap there. So once you are done, let's close this and open Play Store. Let's install the app again. So as you can see, now Play Store is installing the app. So that's it guys. If you face any problem, just clear your cache and try to install the app. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.